Hello everyone, this is Adesh. Welcome to my YouTube channel Only Mathematics. Today we are going to learn about probability. So do you know what is probability? So yes, according to dictionary, probability means chance. 50-50% chances that things will happen or not happen. Okay. So the words such as chance, probably, likely, possibly we used in our day-to-day conversation. So which are related to probability. For example, if I will say that it is likely to rain today, it means that word likely is used in it. So it means that it will rain or it will not rain. I am just predicting that it is likely to rain today. Also, there are 50-50% chances of Indian cricket team to win today's match. So in this also, I am not surely telling that, but I am just predicting that there are chances of Indian team to win the match. Also, one more example we can take. Rohan will surely secure first in class, or Rohan will surely get first class. Okay. So surely word is used in this. So we can also say that it is one of the example of probability. Okay. So this was theoretical approach of probability. Now we are going to learn about experimental approach, that is in mathematics related to particular event. Okay. So let's begin. So basic definition of probability means how likely an event is supposed to happen. Okay. So if some event A is happening, so we can say that probability of an event A. So probability of an event A is number of sample point in that event A. So number of sample point in A upon number of sample point in sample space S. So number of sample point in sample space S. In short, we can say that probability of an event, that is A. So we can say that it is number of A upon number of S. Okay. So to make it more clear, we'll see one example related to this. Okay. Suppose one coin is tossed. Okay. So either we know that outcome is either head or tail. So the maximum output, we write it in this sample space. Okay. So our maximum outcome is H or T. So we can write sample space, that is S. So that is either head or tail. So number of sample space, that is number of S. It means that number of points in sample space are 2. Right. So let us consider one event A such that event A is getting head. Okay. So let A be the event of getting a head or getting head. So we can say that A is equal to, from this only, H. Okay. And number of A. So number of A means number of sample points in this. So that is 1. So now according to definition, probability of this event A, it is number of A upon number of S. So we know that number of A is 1 and number of S is 2. So we can write probability of an event A, that is number of A upon number of S, that is 1 by 2. Okay. So next is random experiment. So random experiment is an action in which all possible results are known in advance, but we cannot predict exact result. That is, exact result is unpredictable. For example, if we are tossing a coin, we know that all possible outcomes are either head or tail, but we cannot predict either head will occur or tail will occur. Okay. Another example is if a dice is thrown. So we know outcome of dice is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, but we cannot exactly tell that which of the number will occur. So this is random experiment. So examples of random experiment are throwing a dice, after that tossing a coin, or picking a card from 52 playing cards. In a cards also, we know that any of the card from that 52 cards will occur, but we cannot predict which card is that. Okay, our next topic is sample space. So what is sample space? So sample space is related to random experiment only. Okay, so all the possible outcomes of random experiments are nothing but sample space. So we write all the possible outcomes in sample space and we denote it with capital S. Okay, and number of sample space or number of sample points in a sample space, we denote it by n of S or number of S. Now let's study different sample spaces of different outcomes.